This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Chrysler Pacifica. First, gather your jumper cables and ensure both vehicles are parked close enough for the cables to reach, but not touching. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off before proceeding to connect any cables. This prevents electrical surges and potential damage. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Take one red positive cable clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Pacifica's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the booster vehicle's good battery. Next, attach one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Chrysler Pacifica's engine block, or chassis, away from the battery. This creates a good ground connection. Once all cables are securely attached, start the booster vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your dead battery. If your Pacifica starts, great. Carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First the negative cables, then the positive ones. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery. If it doesn't start, you might need professional assistance. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.